Okay, Raja. So exercise 27 will do the question for fund flow. Read करें देखो राजा. First of all, we need to check ears सीधे या उल्टे. बोलो राजा. Ears are reverse. This is the opening side. This is the closing side. So share capital, reserves and surplus, mortgages, trade payables, accrued expenses. Share capital will go to fund flow statement. Reserves and surplus we will use in the FFO starting. Mortgages, loans. Mortgage means loan. Loan is increasing. So FFS source. These will go to CL means working capital. Current assets will go to current assets working capital. Yes or no? Then fixed assets tangible less depreciation means दोस्त account के साथ given है राजा. Net value we don't require for any account. We just need the gross amount and the दोस्त account. Yes or no? And intangible goodwill is reducing means goodwill written off. It will also go to the funds from operations. Depreciation provided will go to the account as well as FFO. Then dividend paid as well as provided करके use करोगे. Yes or no? Any doubt in all the data? Anyone any doubt? Quick. You all are having experience of online class, and you can respond quickly. Unlike the new ones in my previous classes. That's why because of joining and late replies, I got late in this class. Because they were not having any practice for the online classes, with me. Okay. So no doubt. So we'll cover up first of all statement showing changes in working capital. Simply current assets Raja हमें पता है. Yes or no? All the current assets 1, 2, 3, 4. Inventories, trade receivables, temporary investments and cash. First of all, we'll put the opening balances, then the closing balances. ठीक है, two columns we have made. Total of A, total of B. A minus B is the working capital. It is reducing, so 4,000 will come here like a balancing figure, and it is net decrease in working capital. Okay, Raja, yes or no? Secondly, if current assets are decreasing, we'll put in the negative side. If these are increasing, we'll put in the positive side. ठीक है. Current liability is decreasing, we'll put in the positive side, and current liability is increasing, we'll put in the negative side. Any doubt, yes or no? We have discussed this concept easily. And the second column, net decrease in working capital, will go to third column. If there was increase in the first column, it will go to the fourth column. Any doubt in the first statement, that is statement showing changes in working capital? Any doubt? So next step Raja, we need to prepare accounts. Accounts केड़े केड़े बनाने राजा? Fixed assets at gross values and its दोस्त account, accumulated depreciation. So fixed asset account will be two balance brought down 2,80,000. Carried on will be 3,40,000. Dost account brought down will be on the buy wali side. Credit side 1,01,000 and carried on is 48,000. Very easy. Now we'll check out the adjustments. They are saying depreciation provided during the year amounted to 27,000. Okay? Depreciation provided means charged to P&L. It's 27,000. So it will come to the dost account by profit and loss account hyphen depreciation provided. It's 27,000. Okay? Any other data is not given. Yes or no? Any other data is not given. So now very important concept for the overall questions. Very, very important question concept. Everyone, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This data has been posted in this. Listen very carefully now. We always say which account is to be closed first, fixed asset or dost account? Everyone, quickly answer. We need to close which account first? Yes, very good, dost account. This is the reason why it is to be closed initially before fixed asset account. Provision for depreciation has a opening balance, it has a closing balance. It is always increased by P&L, but it always get reduced with this entry. Yes or no? With the Kikli entry. Kikli with the dost. Okay, so this will be transferred to the fixed asset account, then you will calculate the purchases. Am I clear? Yes or no? ठीक है, देन डाउट क्या आता है कि किकली इज मेड व्हेन at the time of sale, but we also discussed it is made at two times when the asset gets fully written off. Yes or no? Then also. So there is no need to sale. Here it will be provision for depreciation. Am I clear? Yes or no? So today the Kikli will start from fixed asset account or Dost account? Dost account. Okay, Raja? Yes or no? Yes. So the balancing figure will be purchase and purchase of fixed assets will go to fund flow statement. Source or application? Can you tell me? Purchase will go to source side or application side? Yes, application. Now we'll go to the second step, that is funds from operations. Funds from operation will start with reserves and surplus, increase in reserve and surplus P&L 59 and 68 difference. This is 9,000. Then second we discussed any point in these accounts, yes, by P&L hyphen depreciation provided. So depreciation provided will be added in the funds from operations. FFO add back 27,000. उसके बाद देखो, we know goodwill return of 20,000 will also be added, and dividend paid as well as provided it will also be added. Provided will be added in the FFO. So we have discussed all the points in the basic discussion of the question. So FFO is done. Now we'll go to the fund flow statement. Fund flow statement में राजा, first of all we'll do FFO. FFO is a source if it is positive. Then we'll check the working capital. Which side the decrease in working capital will come? On the source or application? Decrease in working capital. Very good, Sanya, Ritika, Madhvi. Okay, Raja. So source side पे decrease in working capital and FFO. Now we'll start back with the question. Share capital issued. ठीक है, issued. Source or application? You can write S or A. Yes, very good. Okay. So issue of share capital is a source 60,000. Source 60,000. Issue of shares. Then next reserve surplus हो चुका. Mortgage increased by 20,000 means raising of loan mortgage loan 20,000 again source. Then next point CL is done. फिक्स्ड एसेट्स में क्या चेक करोगे? अकाउंट में आया था राजा परचेज और सेल. ओनली परचेज. इट इज एन एप्लीकेशन 1,40,000. Application 1,40,000. Okay. After fixed assets, goodwill is done. CA, current assets are done. Depreciation is done. Dividend paid. Paid is a application 14,000. And your fund flow statement is matched. Everyone, yes or no? Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay, Raja, we'll do exercise 30. Prepare fund flow statement. Opening balance, closing balance. We are given cash, account receivable, inventories, other current assets. So all are the current assets. They will go to the working capital. Then fixed assets and accumulated depreciation in the ledger accounts, fixed asset and those account, provision for depreciation. Accounts payable is a current liability. ठीक है, this will also go to the working capital statement. Then long term debt, equity, capital, retained earnings. Long term debt and equity can go to FFS normally, and retained earnings will go to FFO. Then first point, second point, third point is a part of fixed asset account and provision for depreciation account. We'll do this only first. इसको बाद में देखते हैं, ठीक है. First of all, let's make either working capital statement or fixed asset account. चलो. In the working capital statement, we got cash, account receivable, inventories, and other current assets. And current liabilities, we are having accounts payable. So, can you calculate full statement working capital, then increase in working capital? First, we'll go to the fourth column, increase or decrease as per plus and minus, yes or no? Easy? इसमें तो कुछ नहीं डिस्कस करना, just you have need a writing time. Everyone, yes or no? Needs any discussion? Yes or no? Yes. Now further, fixed asset account and provision for depreciation account. We'll start with two balance brought down. How much? Gross value, opening value 5,000, closing 5,800. 5,000 and 5,800, and depreciation में 2,100 and 2,500. ठीक है राजा? Now the question says fixed asset costing 1,200 were purchased for cash. So means two cash hyphen purchases. Okay. One thing done more. Next one. Fixed assets. Original cost 400. Accumulated depreciation 150. Sold for 200. Means we need to make working note. Cost 400. Accumulated depreciation 150. A written down value 250. Sold for 200. So tell me, there is a profit or a loss? There is a profit or a loss? Very good, Sanya. Ritika, Keshta. Okay, so there is a loss of 50 rupees. So we'll write by profit and loss account hyphen loss, by cash hyphen sale, and 150 we'll put a quickly with the friend. Yes or no? 150. ठीक है. Last point. Depreciation for the year amounted to 550 and duly charged to P&L. Means depreciation charged means provided by profit and loss account hyphen depreciation provided 550. So the whole account is matched. Everything is given. Nothing is the balancing figure. Yes or no? ठीक है. ये भी हो गया. Next one. This is a new point for you. Dividend paid is given, that's okay, but reported income is also given. Listen to this. Read this carefully. If profit or income is given in the adjustments, it will be used only to calculate dividend. ठीक है. If profit or income is given in adjustments, it will be used to calculate only the dividends. Else it will be of no use. Listen one thing. If we prepare profit and loss account, what's its opening balance? 2800. Closing balance 3700. And your reported income, your net profit is, ठीक है ना, the increased surplus this year profit is 1200. ठीक है, means your total profits were 4000 now, but they are remaining at 3700 rupees. So 300 is your distributed profit in the form of dividend, in the form of dividend. Yes or no? But in this question there is no need to calculate that because dividend is also given, but you can match that. Am I clear? Yes or no? Clear, Raja? Everyone, this point is very important. In few questions, dividend will not be given, but reported income will be given. So you will calculate the dividend value from the reported income. Okay. So this account also you will make as a working note in this question. Okay. So we know that everything is given. We'll cover the FFO. FFO में बताओ. First thing will be increase in P&L. How much increase is there? 900 rupees. 900 rupees, yes or no? Increase in P&L. After that, from the accounts, you know the depreciation provided, you know the loss on sale of asset, then dividend paid as well as provided. और कोई return of and all something कुछ भी नहीं है, ठीक है? So dividend provided, depreciation provided, loss on sale of fixed assets and FFO is done. Now coming to the FFS, FFO will be on the source side. Working capital was increased, so it will be on the application side, 700. Now moving to the whole question back. Cash will not come here, account receivable not come here, inventories no, other current asset no. Fixed asset will check the account. Purchase will be on the application side, sale will be on the sources side. Sale of fixed asset, purchase of fixed asset. Okay, Raja. Then after fixed assets, account payable will not come. Long term debts, yes. It is repaid 100 and issue of equity shares 300. Then adjustments made, dividend paid 300. Okay, Raja. Issue of shares, repayment of long term debt, and dividend paid. So your FFS will match. Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? Anyone? This was your question, exercise 30. Okay, Raja. Tell me any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay. So देखो राजा, reported income is given for the year 1200. You need to understand this note. If profit or income is given in adjustment, you can find dividend from there. You can find dividend from there. Means you are having a P&L account. Ritika, the opening P&L balance was 2800. Closing it was 3700. Yes or no? Brought down and carried down 2800 and 3700. Yes or no? The reported income says means your net profit for the year is 1200. Net profit for this year is 1200. ठीक है राजा? Now देखो, your opening balance was 2800, profit earned was 1200, means total would be 4000, but the closing is 3700, means you distributed the profit of rupees 300, and the distribution of profit is called dividend in the company accounts. Yes or no? It is done in the form of dividends. Okay, so this dividend could be found out, but in this question we are given with the dividend amount of rupees 300. Okay, Raja, yes or no? So this was your working note.